Alright guys, so basically those website might maybe look boring to you, but trust me, if you use this website rightly, you will be able to send unlimited emails to your recipients every single day. And this is not something I'm going to be exaggerating. A lot of persons are actually making use of those websites to send emails almost every single day. And trust me, if you use this method, alright, the exact one I'm going to teach you, you're going to be finding it too easy for you to start email marketing, start sending newsletters to your recipients effortlessly and even free, alright, without much stress. Without you doing much work. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to have access to this particular website, how to import your email list. Let's say you have an audience already, or you want to get started with email marketing and you're thinking of the best platform you can try out to use absolutely for free. This is the best platform for you to use. So you're going to be importing your list, and also I'm going to be teaching you, more importantly, how to send emails to them. Like I told you, if you follow these exact steps, you'll be able to start sending emails every single day to whoever person you want to send to, and absolutely you're not going to be paying a penny. And you can see right here from my own dashboard, and I've been making use of this particular platform for a while, and it has been a good thing for me. Like, no money being paid here, and I've been able to keep in touch with my subscribers. So let's just get started with the whole thing. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to come over to substack.com. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link for you. It's going to be displayed on the screen. So create your account on Substack. Okay, it's basically free to get started with. All right, you can turn this into people paying you for sending them emails. Absolutely, you can do that right here on Substack, but that is not the aim of this video. The aim of this video is to teach you how to get started with email marketing absolutely for free. So once you are here on Substack, you've created your account, you should have a dashboard looking like this. So basically, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And Substack is one platform where people get to write things about whatever thing they are doing, and they get to share it with their subscribers. So how does this concern people who are practicing email marketing? Substack has one feature that can basically allow you send emails to everybody who is subscribed to your list. And if you don't have people subscribed to your list, don't worry, you're also having the opportunity to import them into your dashboard. So now let's get started with that. So how do you import your list into Substack? It's easy. The first thing you want to do once your account has been created, right, you want to come over to this place that says the dashboard. But mind you guys, all right, mind you, I want you to also visit your profile. I might not be able to cover this, all right. I want you to also visit your profile tab, and you're going to be giving Substack, all right, a little bit of details about who you are and what you're doing. And this basically is going to also help your subscribers get to know more about you. So maybe you want to put in the name of your website or the name of your blog or whatever recognition you want them to see you as. You're going to do that, all of that right here on your profile tab. So I'm not going to cover how to do that. It's simple for you to do, and I want to believe it's not going to cost you much time to do. So once you've done that, come over to the dashboard tab. All right, and right here on the dashboard, this is where you're going to be having a very good display of how your the back end, all right, of your subscribers, your emails, and everything you're doing. You're going to be getting a good display right here. So I want to teach you how to import. And how do you import your list? Now you want to come over to this place that says subscribers. You can see right here, you want to click on subscribers, and right from this very place, okay, you can see what you want to do is you want to click on add subscribers, because you don't have any. If you have somewhere, you can import them into Substack, and that's what I'm teaching you right now. So click on add subscribers, and right from here, you're going to be seeing that you can add them manually, where you have to type in. You have to just type in their name, all right, and you can add them manually. But trust me, this is going to take a lot of time. If you have thousands of subscribers you want to import into Substack, and trust me guys, you don't have a limit with how much or how many subscribers you can have on Substack. So I don't think doing this manually is going to be befitting for you. So you want to go with the second option, all right, which is where you're going to be importing a list. So you should have your subscribers already in a CSV file, okay? Just like me, I already have that. So I'm just going to click on select file, and I'm going to find where my subscribers are, basically right here. So let me just quickly choose, let me pick them immediately. All right, so I'm just going to import them, and you can see it's going to be asking you a question: where did you get this from? So basically, these are my list from kits.com. So I'm just going to put in kits.com. These are my own personal list here, and I'm just going to click on this one that says these people have opted into receiving emails. Substack is not meant for cold emailing. All right, please don't use Substack for cold emailing. If you use Substack for cold emailing, that is going to be another approach. I'm going to teach you something different. I can help you use Substack to send cold emails. Basically, it's just going to be a little bit of tricky, but it's possible. But that is what I'm talking about in this video. This is for people who want to get started with email marketing, and you don't have money to spend, or you're just trying to test out the platform and see how it works. This is your video. Okay, so make sure you click on this. Those people have opted into receiving emails, and you want to click on import. Okay, so it's just going to be a free flow from here. So basically, you're going to be having this particular stat that's going to be saying that your email list is being imported. You can see it's importing. So you want to give this a few minutes. So I'm just going to wait. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to take a chill. All right, and once this has been imported successfully, I'm going to come back right here and teach you guys how to start sending emails, because it is technical, and if you do it the right way, you're going to be having every of your email land in the inbox folder of your recipients if you do it the right way. So let me just wait for this to import successfully, then we can move over to sending our emails to our recipients. Alright guys, so I think due to some reasons, the first one I tried importing could not get imported because so many duplicates were found, and I think this should have been this must have been an error from my end. So I actually tried it once again after cleaning my list, and you can see it is under review. Okay, now I want you to know Substack actually would do all of these things if you don't have a good list. So you want to make sure you have a clean list. Okay, that is the reason why I used to tell people that when trying to get your list, all right, of your subscriber base, or trying to import your list, you must try to make sure that you have it all well arranged and all well precise. That is what I want to show on that. So I'm not going to allow this video get much longer than this, so I just want to go quickly and show you guys what to do next and how to send your emails. All right, so let's assume we have our list imported into Substack. Now if you want to send your emails, it's simple. Once you have this already uploaded, you want to come over to the subscribers form again. You want to click on this one more time. All right, and you can see it brings you to a place where you're going to be having all your subscribers being listed, but for now I just have only my own self right here on the platform. Of course, it's not supposed to be like that. It's something that has to do with you finding all the lists all arranged right here. So I can't wait for this to get imported. It's going to take a long while. All right, but I just want you to know, if you do those things the right way, you're going to be having your list imported, and if you continue with what I'm showing you, you're also going to be finding yourself sending emails to your recipients. So now I can just go ahead and send in an email. All right, it's simple. All I have to do is to select all subscriber right here. All right, you can see it's going to mark all the subscribers you have on your dashboard, and you can see this place that says send email. That is the whole trick here. So you want to click on send email, and if you do that, it's going to open up this particular page. Let's see what happens. Good. So right from here, this is where you're going to be writing whatever thing you're going to be whatever thing you want to see, all right, to your audience. So let's just say I'm just going to type in something like incoming webinar. Yeah, and I can proceed from writing everything I want to tell my guys here. I can keep writing, and the beautiful thing about Substack is that you have the options to choose how you want your email swipe to look like. So you can bold in the text, you can have italics to it, and let's say you want to also embed a code, or maybe you want to add a URL. You can see it's simple for you to do all of that right here on Substack. So guys, I want you to just know that this particular information, all right, is for educational purposes alone, and this is for people who are basically trying to get started with email marketing. So let's say you were able to get started in the time, and maybe you were not able to continue with the paid tools. You can just export your list, okay, and import it into Substack, and from there you can start sending sending emails again. Sorry, not code emails, right? You can start sending emails again to your newsletters. So the whole idea of this video is to tell you, all right, that you don't have to start spending money, or you don't need any money to get started with email marketing. With this particular Substack website, you can send unlimited emails, all right, to your recipient through newsletters without paying a penny. And that is how it all works, making use of Substack to start sending emails to your recipient. So if you follow those exact steps I shared with you, you should have no issues trying to send unlimited emails to your recipient. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and like the video, okay, and let me know what you feel about Substack in the comment section below, and I'll do all to answer your question. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Please take care of yourself and bye.